Dear students, today we can take the section of a dicot root. Before taking the section of the root, we have to know what are the functions of a root. Root is the underground part of the plant which fixes the plant in the soil and also absorb water and minerals for the plant. Mostly it is growing in underground, growing in the soil, so it is colorless. So this is the root of the dicot plant. It is colorless. Today we can take the section of this dicot root. So take the section from the water, hold in between thumb and index finger, hold it this way. Take a blade, moisten the blade with the water, start taking section. Take the tick from the water, hold in between thumb and index finger, take the blade, moisten the blade with the water, hold the blade in such a way that its edge is facing to us. Then start cutting transverse section from outside towards outside. Number of sections are collected on this blade. With the help of the brush, transfer the section from the blade to the water taken in a petri dish. Observe the thin, uniform and complete sections that float in water. With the help of the brush, remove these thin sections to a petri dish, to a watch glass containing safranin. After 1 minute, remove the section from the watch glass to a petri dish containing water for to remove the excess stain presenting in the section. Take one glass slide, wipe it with the filter paper, take one drop of glycerin and put it on the glass slide. With the help of the blade, remove this section from the water and put it in the glycerin. The section should completely immerse in glycerin. Afterwards, take a cover slip, take one needle. With the help of the needle, carefully place the cover slip over the section. Take care while putting the cover slip, avoid the entry of the air bubble. Excess glycerin can be removed with the help of the filter paper. Now, we mounted this section. Afterwards, take the microscope, rotate the course adjustment screw so that body to raise up. Rotate the nose piece of low power objective. Looking through the eyepiece, tilt the mirror to focus the source of light. After that, take the slide, place it on the stage, held in position by means of the clip. Rotate the course adjustment screw so that we can focus the image of the object. For sharp focusing, rotate the fine adjustment screw. Its outermost layer, epidermis, it is single layered, followed by 5 to 6 layers of the cortex made up of parenchyma cells. Internal to this cortex, we could see the endodermis. It is thickened by suberin, that is called the Casparian strip. Its radial and tangential wall is thickened. Internal to this, a single layer of parenchymatous pericycle. Internal to this, we can see the radial vascular bundle. In the radial bundle, xylem and phloem present in separate radii. Here, bundle is X-arc, protoxylem directed towards the periphery and metaxylem towards the center. So, the given stem is a dicot stem. So, now cut given. It is a dicot root due to the presence of limited number of vascular tissue, especially xylem. Nature of the xylem is, shape of the xylem is polygonal in shape and reduced to pith. The given specimen is a dicot root.